Ever wondered how to use Strava on your any iPhone? It's not just for tracking runs, it's a powerful tool to manage your fitness. So let me show you how it actually works. So first you have to install this Strava app from your App Store. So just search for Strava and just get it from here. Now you have to log in with your account and allow the necessary permissions. And now from the home page, you can see you can record activities, set goals, view your weekly reports. You can also get motivated by others' activities, and you also check the maps from here. Now to start recording, tap this middle button and choose your preferred sport. It can be running, walking, yoga, and many more. Now for starting your activity, make sure to allow location permissions so Strava can track your activity. And once you finish your recording, you can pause or finish. You can give your activity a title from top. You can add photos or customize the details. When everything looks good, just save it. You can also share your activity or copy the link from here. Strava also lets you check your progress, explore other users' activities. You can also join clubs, challenges, and community events. And from the settings menu, you will find more options, including the ability to connect Strava with your Apple Health for better health. And that's it, you are all set to use Strava on your iPhone. Hope this guide helped. Thanks for watching.